This is the DeLonghi indoor grill. I sprayed my grill with Pam, which is a non-stick cooking spray. I threw some frozen burger patties on, and as you can see, beautiful grill marks. There is smoke, and that's just because I don't have the lid on, so you could see what's going on here. Under the grill, there's some water. I don't know if you can see the drippings drop down into the pan, but I filled it up to the line, and everything so far is going pretty good. For those of you saying that there's no lid with the pan, there's the lid with the knob. I saw it on the side of a styrofoam piece. It's also in the instructions where you can find the knob, so y'all might want to check your boxes and whatnot before you throw them out. Unless you already did, then just go to eBay or even Amazon and see if you can find a new one. Okie doke. Now I'm going to go ahead and flip one of these over real quick so you can see the other side. And there you go. These are just about done. I'm glad I bought it. I'm going to get years of use out of this. If you're on the fence, don't be. Try it.